On number 11, it asks you to solve an exponential equation of this kind of style. So when you have different bases but they have exponents, go ahead and take the natural log of each side. And that will allow us to use a logarithm property so we can bring the powers out in front of the logarithm. So then we have this. Okay, so now that we've got it where there are no exponents, let's go ahead and multiply this out. So we get this times 1, which is itself, ln of 2, minus 7x times the ln of 2 equals x times the ln of 3. So now let's get all the chunks that have x's on one side. So let's add this over. And we'll end up with this. Okay, so now let's go ahead and factor out an x from these two. So we have x times ln of 3 plus 7 times the ln of 2. Lastly, to finally get x by itself, let's divide this to the other side. And with that, we get x equals the ln of 2 divided by the ln of 3 plus 7 times the ln of 2. So that's how you solve for x, given an equation that looks sort of like this, where you have the same base, but they have powers. So lastly, it will want you to convert this to a decimal. So go ahead and put this in your calculator, but make sure that you have proper parentheses. So put parentheses around this. Those aren't quite required, but then make sure you have parentheses around this so that when you divide, it's dividing by this entire chunk. And that should be, it equals 0.116483. I believe it wanted you to round to 3 decimal places, so it's 0.116. Always make sure you round to the correct decimal places.